Hello everyone, Tassie here, and today I'm gonna tell you a paper cutting story. If you want to retell this story after you hear it, you are going to need paper, scissors, and a marker or a pencil, okay? Let's start. Story time. Once upon a time, there was a green mother bird. She was looking for some leaves and twigs to build her nest. She needed to build a nest for her egg. So, after she found all the elements she needed, she built a wonderful, comfortable nest for her egg. It was a big green egg. Look. After she built the nest, she sat there for a long time. She sat there for days and nights. She sat there for so long that she made two friends. She befriended two little bugs. One bug would sit on this side of the nest, and the other bug would sit on this side of the nest. Yes. And now she was happier because she wasn't alone anymore. She had someone to talk to. One day, she was talking to her two friends there, and she heard a crack. First, it was a short crack. Crack. Then she heard another one. A longer crack. Crack. And another one. Crack. It was the egg. The mother bird was so excited to see how her baby bird would look like. So she stepped aside to see. And there it was. A beautiful and happy baby bird. Tweet, tweet. Mother bird was so happy, and they lived very happy for a long time. Tweet, tweet. That's the story of today, okay? So, see you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby bird. Bye-bye. See you.